Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. Now it's Rush to Discover Boss here with another driving video. So we are going up this ramp. We're gonna go on that bridge with Maggie being advertised, and we're gonna take a look on what's happening from a driving standpoint by the Kingston 876 commercial development. So I would have done quite a few videos on this development before, including drone videos. So what I'll do, I'll put the link to one of the drone videos in the comments as well, so you guys can get some aerial shots. So we're in the ferry area, so that's tropical battery rooftop you probably would have just seen, and we're now approaching the commercial development Kingston 876. So they have ATL card storage, they have Nestle, they have a warehouse for Fontana Pharmacy, they have multiple warehouses. You also have Tankwell Metals, Derriman Trading. Right, so you have a lot of different companies taking up room over here. And as I mentioned, right over here now is ATL Automotive. So this would be like probably their storage area for their vehicles, because I'm assuming that they run out of space in New Kingston. So I don't think they do direct sales here. It's probably more storage of their vehicles. And then from ATL, as I mentioned, you also have some new construction coming up, a new warehouse being built by right beside Iterum, and Iterum is a call center. So we're just gonna take a drive in the area to see what's happening from a driving standpoint. As we said, our drone is down. We need a new drone for the channel, but the videos have to go on, so you know, we'll make the best of what we have. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Subscribing is completely free, so you don't have to worry. Alright, so let's go outside, take a look at this ATL Automotive car storage, and then we'll just drive around the area. So there you have it. That was the ATL Automotive storage area. Very big area as well. But as we know, for vehicles you need a lot of storage space, you know, a lot of real estate if you're gonna have a car mart or if you're gonna store vehicles. So their area is quite big. Alright, so from here we're gonna enter the development. I guess we probably can. We're gonna try and end the video right back at Nestle. So we're just gonna take a quick drive through the area, and I'll try to highlight as much as I can. So that blue zinc is a development going on right now. I think it's a construction company. I think they're also spearheading some of the development in the area as well. Up in the hills, I think that's Plantation Heights. I can just imagine that they have some marvelous view from up there. It's overcast, so it's a bit cloudy. So this warehouse in front of us, 2939, you have different companies that are tenants. You have Fontana Pharmacy, you have a space. You also have an electrical bike company which has a space as well. I think the bike company is called Elesso, or ELLESO. So it's the electrical bike company that is trying to make their mark in Jamaica. So this is Distribution Boulevard. A lot of land space still over here for more development for sure. I know one by one the tenants will be coming. And a lot of mega warehouse by Derryman, by Tankwell, and a few other companies as well. Alright, so these roads are closed off. They don't have any active business on them. So we're gonna go around now. Again, guys, leave your comments. Let me know what you think in the comments in terms of this development. So over here they're doing some work, and then right in front of this blue zinc fence you also have a warehouse going up. The wall is high so we can't see much, so our warehouse is going up on the left right over here. This is the call center, Ethereum connection, and then this is Nestle Backgate, their distribution center. So we'll take this left. We're down here, we have I think it's a hot asphalt paving company. You also have Kgn-Ja. They have a distribution center down here. You have Shopman as well, that's selling a lot of heavy duty equipment in Jamaica, from trucks to tractors and trailers and wrecker, water truck, dump truck. So we have Shopman over on the right. They have partnered with Tankwell Metals, and a lot of companies upgrading their fleets with Shopman trucks. Tankwell Metal in front of us, that's a new mega distribution center, you know, from board, which is lumber, steel, cement. There was a talk for Amazon to have a warehouse in Jamaica. I haven't heard much more about that. But I'm thinking if they're gonna put it anywhere, they probably put it somewhere around this side. There's a new development, well, not, I see they're clearing some land straight ahead. We're gonna take a look around there, but let's just come around here as well. So this is Derryman Trading Warehouse. And again, you have some nice multi-story homes up in the hill. And then I think there's a new warehouse right here. I'm gonna see if I can turn around in front of them. So this one is going up very fast as well. This was an empty land on the left, and they're almost finished. It's a warehouse now. So they're not playing, they're not joking. Then on the left, this warehouse is brand new. Again, I'll put a drone video in the comments which will show when it was being constructed. Alright, so this is the Kingston 876 commercial development. You know, many years ago this entire, or most of this area, if not all this area, was a big swamp. So when you come in Kingston, it was very stink. People used to throw rubbish, garbage. Yeah, persons used to dump all sorts of stuff over this area, along with the water being stagnant. So over here was very stink. But all that is changing now. You know, mega development happening. You know, at one point, persons used to take right here like a mini river tank. That was a very big land that wasn't being used. And again, some of you guys watching probably remember those days. You know, right out here on Ferry. So all this wall is for some warehouses. Road very bad though, so probably eventually they'll upgrade the road. As I said, around here I see they're clearing the land. I'm not sure what they're doing. Probably they're extending the development, or they're planning to put some more warehouse around this side. Around here it's pretty dark at night as well. So they need to install some lights along with, you know, upgrade the roads eventually. So a lot of different companies around here. So this is where you drive to up in the hills where you see those houses. And all around here was woodland. But as I said, I spot something. Not sure how much of it we can see. Now we don't have the drone, but let's see. So now to the left is where they're clearing out. So they're clearing out, they're excavating, they're carrying mall. They created this barricade here. So this barricade wasn't here, it was just bushes. So they put this barricade here as well. So we may not be able to see anything from in the car. So I'm gonna turn around. Yeah, so the drone would have been the best thing to show you guys. So again, we're at the back of some of the warehouses. I don't want to drive over there. Next thing I get a puncher. But yeah, so right here was, you know, as you can see, it's wasteland after wasteland. But some farmer excavation is happening over there, so I'm not sure what the plan is, but they know what they're doing. So maybe due to power line running to some other probably parish, stuff like that. So yeah, we'll keep an eye on it, we'll watch it. You know, probably you could be all surprised, you know, housing development come around here, because as I said, this is land after land after land. And then Ferry is not far, so don't be surprised if you see a housing development come around here, because housing is in high demand, and no matter how expensive they are, people are gonna buy them. But again, guys, thanks for clicking, thanks for watching. Leave your comments, let me know what you think. It's the Kingston 876 commercial development. You know, billions of dollars being spent to develop this area. Alright, so we'll end the video here. So until next time, until another video, thanks for watching and thanks for your support on the channel. Label Craft Jamaica Limited.